Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I am going to tell you what you can do if Bluetooth is not working in your device Redmi A1. So if you're facing any trouble related to Bluetooth in Redmi A1, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix any problem related to Bluetooth in your device.